Good afternoon, all, and welcome to this monthly master class of NP Financials. So, start with we'll go with the general financial product advice warning. Initially, please excuse me my deep voice or my because I'm having a blocked nose. NP Financials Pty Limited, NP Financials or NPF advises all service recipients of the following. This information is provided only on general financial product advice basis. This is only educational in nature. I will give you 15 more seconds to go through this and let me know when you are done.
All done.
Fantastic, brilliant,
All done.
excellent, very good,
Yes.
excellent. Thank you very much.
Yep. That's perfect.
Thank you very much. Alright, so what we'll do, we will take this out and then this is our favorite one. Alright, so thanks Venkatesh for sending all your questions. I'll first go through that and then I think Ben and Mauricio probably have sent questions which we'll also deal with try our best to respond. Alright, so Venkatesh is writing, could you please explain the following in your monthly session? Yeah, this Sunday, that is today. Now, daily, that's why they say heaven is here and now. How many people believe heaven is here and now?
I believe.
Yes, absolutely, Girija. And we'll be having Kerry Brown, Ben's partner, a tremendous psychologist and a neuro. What is correct? Can you introduce Ben? Kerry, please.
Yeah, she's a degree from ANU in psychology and behavioural neuroscience.
Thank you, Ben. We'll have the privilege of Kerry's actually consenting and has consented actually, and she'll be talking about her deep experience and possibly related to Ben because she is observing, perhaps specifically related to trading because she is observing Ben trading, and she has consented kindly that she'll be giving us some input and we'll all learn from her next monthly class, and after that probably which is the dates are as of now I think it will be the same dates, which is 4th of December, first Sunday of the next month, and next first of no, not first of January, no, 8th of January. 8th of January. All right. After that, I'll take a break. This year, we are not taking a break in the month of December, hoping that we'll have a Christmas rally in the stock market. Don't know, but we'll be taking a break from 18th of January to 4th of February, and maybe once in a day or two I'll be possibly having responding to your queries, but we'll have other like very competent person like Marty and Dimitri will be running the show. All right, thank you Ben for that, and thank you, special thanks to Kerry for her kind consent. Okay, so the question Venkatesh has asked is daily swing trading on Discord channel. What are the benefits? Could you show some examples of how it works? Brilliant question, excellent. Venkatesh is asking about our daily swing trading on Discord channel. So let's bring that. So what we have done after delivering 169 days of 169 days with 77% success, what we have done, we have actually included the intraday trading into this paid section of trading market opens Elliott wave for our 12-hour and daily. Till 169 days it was free because we wanted people to pay actually this is 169 days, there is a mistake here, 169 days, because 130 divided by 138 is not 77, isn't it? uh, 131 131 out of 169, 131 out of 169 is 77. So after being successful in this channel for 77%, we have a higher success rate here on this intraday trading market, and you can see all those performances here. Look at this fellow, my dear friend, my favorite. All right. All right. So the intraday trading is was successful, 131 out of 169, which is 77.5. Then 169 days, very close to almost 10 months, because we have started from 19th of January. Yeah, that's why probably I'm taking a break on 18th of January. What do you say? Is a good idea? So Marty's is fabulous. Yeah, Marty's contribution is tremendous in this organization. So from 19th to I'll we'll have 1 year, and till date we have 77.51%. And then on the trading market open, we have a better one. In that we have 90.98 successful days, so that was a good one. And that this fellow is dancing like me. Yeah, my goodness, this. All right. And in the 4-hour swing trading, we have the 2042 points from from June, July, August, September, October, 5 months. So not bad. So that is almost a standard lot. If you are taking, that is 453.8 per trade. Why are you always referred to standard lot? Because in a $100 audition, $100, sorry, $100,000 audition, you can merrily take all these things which I am now going one by one, is an endeavor to respond to Venkatesh's question. So when you buy for $670 competent, that will allow you to trade a standard lot. Yeah, because we allow 1 by 100, sorry, 1 by 10,000, 1 by 10,000. So 100,000 divided by 10,000 is 10. So that is a standard lot. Yeah, that's why you always refer standard lot, which is in a 4-hour 453 per trade, and that was good. And then on the 12 hourly, for the same 5 months, we went up to 3,679 points. 3,679 points. And there also we have 897 per trade when you are taking standard lot. Yeah, so that is good. And on the daily, this is what the question is for one more month, because we have started 11th of April. So in the last 6 months, we have got 5,812 points in our daily swing trading, and with a standard lot, that equals 937.4 multiplied by the number of trades. Yeah, multiplied by the number of trades. And against that, we are charging $45 or $47 only. Yeah. Okay, so if you have understood that much, let me clarify one thing here. It is very important to understand and read this here. Please note that, as mentioned in our terms and condition, which is here at the top, I think, terms and condition, all possible sample trade signals or ideas which we discussed here in these channels. Now I'm going deep into the question. Discuss in this Discord channel are only based on our IG markets, http itfinance.com real time charts, price levels from the pro real time. Yeah, pro real time from the pro. So either you can place a market order or pending order close to our sample trade ideas, considering the difference between the prices. So what does it mean? It means that whenever we are putting a trade, so Wayne told me to that he'll be joining. Just let me try him for a moment. So where am I? Yeah, so yeah, so I was telling about the price difference. Yes, so price difference means what? So supposing we go to the daily swing trading, the daily swing trading, and then we what we have, let's say the last one, for example, if we are doing an US dollar long trade, can be 11,155. Yep, 11,155. So let's go to the US dollar long trade of 155, for example. So what you have to do, supposing you are not trading, you can trade your own money in Go Market or IG Market or 8 cap any, or you have, but you have no no other choice to trade our money in the 8 cap, because we use 8 cap for the time being. We do, in future coming new years, I don't know which brokers will be using, because contract to contract the brokers different, the broker differs. Also coming year, this is a heads up, maybe we may be changing some of these high value item, 500,000, 1 million, and probably introducing low value item like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, like that. So those of you who want to take advantage of this 500,000, 100,000, $1 million, so needs to hurry up and do this before the Christmas. All right. So coming back to the trade of dollar index, this is the one which we gave on the Discord at 3:11, which is the 3rd of November. 11,155, stop loss of 10,888. 11,155 on 3rd. So 11,000, what was that? 11,155. 11,155 on 3rd of November. So 3rd of November, this one here, 11,150, 3rd of November, 3rd of November, I think 4th. What is this? 4 hour? No, 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 24 hour. So that was daily trade. So daily trade 11,155, for example, on 3rd of November, which is this one here, which is this one, we have put that trade. So what you have to do, you have to, if the price is below, or let me show you, I think lower time frame, so that you will understand better. The same thing will be valid for the bigger time frame also. Let's see this one. For example, I'll come back to the daily swing trading. For example, I'm just considering the time, this thing, price difference between different brokers. So let's see this one, which is 4th of 11 USO USD, USO USD. This is the one, 4th of November, and the time stamped was 12 to 12:14. On 12th of 12:14 noon time on 4th of November, Friday, we said possible USO USD long can be from 8768. So if we go to USO USD on 4th of November, remembering that this can be on a 1 hour chart or a market open chart. Market open generally opens at now it is opening at 11 o'clock, so that's why we are given 12:14. So crude oil, so if we go to the chart at 12:14 to see 8768 is the long, 8768. So let's go to the 1 hour chart, maybe 15 minutes chart, Friday, 8768. So 12:14, if you remember, yeah, 12:14 was the time on 3rd of November. On 3rd of November, 3rd of November, this is 13. So we gave a call, let me put this on in perspective. So we gave a call at 12:14. So let's see, what is this time? The time,
Alert triggered.
time here is 12 14 12 14, yeah. So this one, at this time we gave, at this time we gave a call at around, because this is a 15 minutes chart, remember, 15 minutes chart. So this chart starts at 12 and completes at 12:15. So so far so good, everyone with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we gave a
Yes,
call,
sir.
very good, excellent. So we gave a call at 8768. So let's go back. 8768, we gave a call, 8768 to go long, 87. Am I reading correctly? Yeah, 8768. So it's that's price correct, or why am I doing something? Let me see that. 8817. We closed it at 50 points. And what was the date? 4th. Sorry, my mistake here. I was referring to 3rd. Yeah, sorry, my mistake. Not 3rd, 4th. So let's go to 4th and then take that. Move to 4th. 12. Yeah, this is the one. So this is the one. Now we are right. Now we are right. So this is 4th of November 12:15. Let me bring one step, move that one step 12 12:00 to 12:15. In between we gave that call, with the in between we that gave that call of 8768 to go long, with the 80 pips stop loss and profit. So 8768. So if I go here, I'll put 8768. You can do an alarm. I hope you know how to put an alarm here. So this is the one alarm here on the pro real time. What you can do, you can put an alarm, or directly you can go and put the trade, pending trade. So now the price is 8768. So now the price 8768.0. those of you who have make it real time, yeah, so that it will do alarm triggered, make you crazy. Otherwise current bar close would only say alarm trigger in 15 minutes. Okay, don't do that. So do real time and then create alert. So see, we have created an alert at 8768 when the call was given 8768. So now the point here is, in your 8 cap, or in any other broker, the price may not be 8768, or may not be the close of this one, which is 8786. So because we have I have 5 accounts with IG markets, but all the 5 accounts quotes me different price, different prices. Yeah. So your 8 cap maybe some, and also especially this is a good example actually, because for 8 cap the price difference between IG, and they will never match, because IG quotes in thousands, like 87, like this close is 8786. 8 cap, if you go back and see, they will be quoting in 87.56 maybe. All of you are aware of this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Different
yeah.
representation of price.
Different units. They measure
Yes.
different units. Some measures in barrels. I know for certain that IG measures some price in barrels, but 8 cap may be measuring something in some other unit, or in lower barrels, maybe mini barrels, something like that. So some people will quote 87 point something. Some broker will quote 87. Whatever it is, the price, irrespective of the price difference, the direction of movement will always be the same, 100%. If the IG price or the pro real time goes up, 8 cap will also go up. Anyone has seen contradictory to this? Silence means no one has seen, isn't it? All right. So Venkatesh is saying, does the price difference apply to stocks as well? I don't think so. Yeah, very good question, Venkatesh. No, very good question, and very good example here. All right, I'll come to that. Let me finish this one. So what you have to do, if you are trading an IG, you don't have to do anything. Just plus a pending order. But if you are trading at 8 cap, and we have given a call
Alert triggered.
according to this chart, as per the terms and condition, that 8768 call was given, long call at 8768. So when the long call was given at 8768, the price was at that time was, let me see the price at that time was 8786. So price at that time, which is 1214, was equal to 8786. They are recommending, as you grow up in age, they are recommending that this is nothing to do with trading, but yeah, something to do with trading, I think. They are recommending, they means the scientists, they are recommending the as you grow grow up in age, so probably 60, 70, 75, like that, they are recommending to talk more, because when you talk more, your cells will be stay activated, and you will have less chance chance to lose your memory at a faster rate. Of course, we will all lose memory with age, but at a faster rate. See how I am losing my memory. I'm on this one on the close price 8786. All right. So what you have to do, long call at 8786 as per IG Pro real time. IG Pro real time. All right. Now if the price, let me write it down, if price at 8 cap, if price at 8 cap or any other broker, for example was at that time 87 point for example, let me exaggerate it, 87.86. okay, 87.86. See, IG is 878. The very important to understand this. Please understand. If you have any question, let me respond to that after this. So IG is quoting IG as a broker is quoting 8,786. 8 cap as another broker is quoting 86.86. So what is the difference? If I take this decimal, that is 100 points. Everyone agree to that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is the difference between 8786 and our pending order at 8786? What is the difference? So much of a tongue twister, I think. So what is the difference? Any scientist or mathematician?
16 pips actually.
Huh?
16 pips.
16 pips. So 8768. How come it is 16 pips? 68 70 18 pips. No, 60 60, yeah, 18 pips, isn't it, Valinder?
Yeah, sorry, sir.
Yeah, no problem. 18 points. So this is very important. Now the call was given at 18 points lesser than the current price. So what you have to do, you have to put your pending order. Put pending order at for example 8 cap, because you are doing the audition. Put pending order at, who can tell me how much? Any scientist? So 86.86 minus 0.18, because we have to divide this by 100 because there is a decimal here, and the response would be 6 minus 8 is 16 8, and then 7 minus 1 is 6, and then dot, and then 86. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, plain and simple. Any question? No question? Alright. So this is how you take care of the price difference between charges. Now between brokers, between different brokers. Yeah, and then mainly it happens now, coming back to Venkatesh's question. Now mainly the difference happens in oil, mainly in oil. And anyone has seen major difference in pro real time and 8 cap? Anyone? Marty or anyone? Valinder?
No, sir.
Yeah, oil is the major one. Yeah. So now coming back to the Venkatesh question, does price difference apply to stocks? Very good question. For stocks, it will not be that much, and for forex it will not be that much. For gold it will not be that much. So what happens? So on this trade, let's finish this trade. So and then it went up. Yeah, it went up like crazy, and we booked some profit at around 49 points. We booked the profit. So for stocks, for forex and for gold, not much, there will not be much price difference, but I cannot guarantee, no one can guarantee that there will be zero difference. No, very less, very small. I can write it down here, very small. I would write negligible, possibly. Don't quote me. Negligible. What is the spelling of negligible? Yeah, negligible. Very small price difference between brokers. Price difference between brokers, as if I am writing in shorthand. All right. In forex pairs, what I'm doing, forex Okay, and then gold is commodity, that's why I'm writing, and then shares. All right. Okay, did I answer your question here, Venkatesh?
Yes, Partha.
Okay,
But
you.
just around, the 4 hourly, you said 4 hourly trade
Mhm.
intraday, 4 hourly trade. What time? Like, is it 10 to 12 or something? 20,
Very
something
good,
like that? 10
very
to
good,
2?
very good question. What I'll do, I'll first finish the question you asked me. Still there, I think. What did I? Where am I? Where am I? Yeah, yeah. And your question was, what are the benefits? Would you show some examples of how it works? Daily swing trading. So daily swing trading benefits, I think I showed you. Benefits of daily swing trading is, after daily swing trading you can celebrate like this with 5,812 points for 6 months. 6 months is, I consider 150 to 100 trades. 50 to 100 trades is a very good sample. For a daily we have already put in 6 months 62 trades at an average of 10 trades. This is how it works. So you will get average 10 trades per day, sorry, 10 trades per month. And then yeah, average we have generated for last 6 months, it is 937. But at the same time we have written in our terms and condition that past experience, past result does not guarantee future, whatever it is. Yep. So that is how we, that are the benefits of the daily swing trading, and these are the daily swing trading, as you can see. So that is a part of your question. And then second one, benefit I discussed, and some of the examples, I think I showed you. And some of the examples will be like, in daily trading, advantages in the daily trading, you will get much more time. Like this one, S&P 500 short, we have given at 9:43 when the market was opening at 10. All right, so you have asked a similar question, related question. Let me answer here now. From winter, Melbourne time, Sydney time, winter season, from April to October, 2nd of April to 2nd of October, when the daylight saving is off, the market opens at 9 o'clock. And then October and April are funny months. Because why say funny? Because although we have already gone daylight on or off in Australia, but the London has not gone on and off. Similarly, the United States has not gone on off. That's why in April, first 2 weeks or 3 weeks, first two let me talk in October, because now we are in November. So first 2 weeks of October, it was supposed, it will open at 10 o'clock. And then after 3 weeks, when United States goes to daylight changing, then it will open at 11 o'clock. So it means market, so the market will open at 11 o'clock. So if you do, how to understand, if you go to settings, price, and then go to add indicator, and then type add an indicator called pivot points on a daily basis, and make it display, and then you can do date also. And you can see this pivot points comes at what time on 4th of November, my dear friend? See the x-axis and tell me. Anyone sleeping or everyone sleeping? 11. Marty is not sleeping. 11, yeah. So this is what I wanted to tell you, that when the Australia goes to daylight on 2nd of October, then Britain goes after 1 or 2 weeks, then after 1 or 2 weeks America goes. So if you see now, I'll go to make it 1 hour so that you understand, and then I'll go to 4 hour to answer Venkatesh's question. Where am I? 1 hour. It's too much, man. 1 hour is so much. Make it 30 minutes. I wanted to present you a nicer picture than the one in front of you. So as you can see, this 4th of November at 11 market open, and then 3rd of November it opened 11, and then 2nd of November it opened at 11, 1st of November 11. Let's open an arbitrary number. This 25th of October is opening at what time?
10 a.m.
Ah, very good. So, to answer Venkatesh's question, when does market open? Generally speaking, we say, generally is a big term in English. Generally speaking, we say in winter, Melbourne winter time, although 12 months is winter, but I cannot blame because I have chosen Melbourne. Melbourne has not chosen me. So, in winter, it is 9159. So let me write it down. In winter, generally speaking, 9. Why generally? I'll tell you that. So winter, Melbourne, April to October. April to October, daylight saving off, daylight saving off, daylight saving off. So the timing will be 9 9 a.m., 1 p.m., 5 p.m., 9 p.m. Human being are lazy, isn't it? I'm copying p.m. Alright, so am. Alright, so now from October to April, when the daylight saving is on in Melbourne, Sydney, and then the time is gets changed. Generally speaking, yeah, I'll define what is that. Generally speaking, it goes to 11, 3, just add 2, 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, and then 9 plus 2 is 11. Alright, did I answer your last question, Venkatesh?
Yes, Partha.
Okay, so why I say generally, because that those 25 days between Sydney, Melbourne, and then London and New York will sometime in between. I'll write down here. Sometime in between, it will be 10, and then just paste it, and time in sometime in between, when the three countries are not in sync, it will be 10, then 2, and then 6, and then 10 for 3 weeks. Did I answer your question?
Yeah, certainly.
Fantastic, brilliant, excellent. Thank you so very much for giving us wonderful these things. I really appreciate, and really thank you. Not only appreciate, but but thank you from the bottom of our heart. The reviews which we are getting from all of you, last few from because this is a tremendous competitive market, and we all are trying to our best. And this was from Venkatesh. Venkatesh has written, thanks a lot for your training and support. Your training is very valuable to me. This is everything that I have ever wanted to learn. Independent investor, your training is on. You can write this. You can, of course, you must write this. Ben says, learning from NP Financial team has changed my life. Unparalleled knowledge and teaching skills has elevated my trading immensely. I highly recommend NP Financial if you want to take your. Thank you so very much, every one of you. Not only Ben, you can go and read. I think Mauritius has also given some input which has not yet come, and also you can go here and then probably type in NP Financial's Trustpilot review. I think Trustpilot review, and I think yeah, I think this is from Ben. I think Ben or Malaysia. I was having no luck with trading and learning the wrong content till I discovered NP Financials. The approach is direct and honest, and will take your trading to the next level. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate all of your reviews. Really thank you so very much again. Alright, please write good reviews so that we can continue to deliver, because that money is one thing. Of course, Warren Buffett is also working at this age, and we are also working at this age. That does not mean that we are Warren Buffett, but at the same time, money is important. But the thing which keeps us moving are all this love and affection from all people, good people like you. That is what at least keeps me moving. I don't know all of you, but yeah, that is, money is one thing, but yeah, this is what keeps us moving, keeps me motivated. Yeah, so please do that. All right, so did I answer your questions on the benefits and examples on the first question on daily swing trading, Venkatesh?
You did, Partha. Thank you.
Anyone having any question to Venkatesh, not to me, for this for this question? I'll give you 3 seconds. So no one is asking any question to Venkatesh? Alright. Next question. Your prop funding program, are there any other hidden cost? Oh my god. There is no hidden cost, my dear friend. If you see our logo, I know this is not readable. Unbelievable. Website is a tremendous funny ball game. If you see our new website, we try to gain traffic every moment and every now and then. What we have done, be a funded trader with Australian number and the pass one step evaluation, no time. What we have done, get funded here and get trained to pass. If someone is telling get trained to pass, he will be taken to this. If someone is taking that, and then we are saying learn to trade with industry leader as featured on. And then we fund forex traders. We say forex trader, but we fund shares trader also. But why we write forex trader? Because forex is the most sought after SEO, search engine optimization term. That's why we use that. Alright, and then you can flip this. I always get fun of this and get funded. And then we are getting students and clients from all over the world, starting from Canada to Argentina, Mauritius to Australia. Ben, Mauricio, how is the Argentina team is going to win this World Cup?
Yes, for sure. I think so.
Look at the confidence of
Hands
the.
down, of course.
Yeah, Mauricio is saying
Ma-
yes.
Maradona. This is the Maradona legions, yes?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, very few people I actually love and respect, and one of them is Maradona. Yeah, Maradona is tremendous. Then we say, do we become a success? Thanks, Mauricio. Become a successful trader in just 9 weeks. Do it with us. That means one-on-one coaching session. Do it yourself. That means we'll give you access to all these things. We will give you access. See, that's what I wanted to show you, that growth, integrity and trust. So when we are saying growth, integrity and trust, that answers your questions of hidden cost. Not only that, but also if you go there, if you go there and read, we have put it in black and white, I think, or blue and white, I think. Let's go there, and then we have seen that where is blue and white, yeah. So you have not read here, you have not read Venkatesh, no hidden cost. Venkatesh, did I answer your question?
Yeah, certainly, Partha. So I was just double checking once again whether you are.
Oh my God, he is not believing is the blue and what is that color? White writing, and he is not believing this. All right. So, all right. So I answered all your. Okay. What if there is unexpected loss trade in excess of allowed maximum drawdown? Nothing happens to you. So for example, that is why probably we are thinking to take out of this some of the high value item, because traders with our help or without our help are passing this 100,000 audition, which is in the demonstration account initially, and then they are losing 5%, which is costing us $50,000. Yep, $50,000 here, $25,000 here. So but the answer to your question is, there is no if we lose more than 4% in a day, we will cut your we will terminate your account, or the system will terminate the account. And if you are losing maximum 5%, maximum 5% in a maximum 5% like this one, maximum trailing drawdown 5%, then your account will be terminated. And how do we calculate all these things? All these things are, my dear friend, all these things are explained here. How do we calculate our maximum trailing? How do we calculate our daily loss? Please read, and do not you may ask questions, but is all written and either white on blue or black and white. Yeah. All right. Is there a guaranteed stop loss possibility on your system? No. This fellow, guaranteed stop loss is a broker's phenomena. It's not our phenomena. It's a broker's phenomena. Like IG markets gives opportunity for us to do guaranteed stop loss, but go market does not, 8 cap does not, so we cannot also. We are not a broker. We have to obey their law, right? So did I answer all your question in this punched question of 3 in 1?
Yes, Partha. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Very good. Anyone having any related question before I go to the previous or next question?
Partha, you did note earlier that there might be a change in broker, moving away from 8 cap. So what would happen if I'm currently auditioning in 8 cap? What would happen?
Yeah,
would I still maintain that same, or move to another one?
Yeah, no, that will be same. That will be that. So those who are joining before the New Year, I think their status would be same. The status quo will be maintained. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, very good, excellent. So I was talking about train yourself. That means what? You'll be given access to this foundation, modules and units, but we will not take one-on-one coaching. We will not take one-on-one. That's what the time we consume, and that's what we charge. The difference between this and this. For example, if we are charging X dollar per month here, we'll also for 3 months, that is 3x. We'll be charging here probably 1.5x for the entire 3 months. Because we will not be talking one-on-one. That means we will not be spending 45 minutes, although we say 30 minutes. We generally spend 45 minutes in your session every week. So we will not be spending 45 minutes, hence the cost reduction in cost. And then done for you is everyone can take advantage of our trade ideas, which are successful here for 7 years. Our trade idea section for 7 years, it is successful, very successful, I think. And then the other thing which I will be doing, these are the new year's thing which we are coming. The other thing is we will be recording our one-on-one sessions and put it here in a YouTube manner, in a video manner, in a audio manner, not video, audio manner. So that will be done for you. That will be done for you. So these are the small little changes, and you can listen to this. This is a good one, and they start with.
Are you lacking effective trading knowledge to get consistent pips every day from the market? If yes, look no further.
Alright, so you can see those videos here. So okay, I think I have explained the changes which is coming, and also we are actually trying to do that trade idea sections here. It is not completed, it's just started. I'll change my photo, but the web trader, the web developer will actually change. Probably he has liked this photo, he will change these photos, and then we'll give some other photos. Right. Okay, and next question. Thank you. Okay. In between Venkatesh questions, do you have any other questions or any other market to go before I go to next set of questions of Venkatesh? Anyone? Please ask any market, any question. This is your time. Ben, Mauricio, did you send any questions?
Yeah, Partha, actually just when you had the chart up before on oil there in the 15-minute, what was your methodology for making that trade on the 15-minute chart? Was it a head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders or something?
Fantastic. Everyone understood Ben's question? Do you anyone wants Ben to repeat his question? Yeah, quick. If you
Yes,
do not,
please.
What is? Yes, repeat or don't repeat.
Repeat, please.
Yeah. So because Ben speaks in native language, I speaks in foreign language. Right. And then there is no fault of anyone. Or just to repeat Ben's question, Ben is asking what was the reason for this. Let me first take this out on the names, otherwise they are very crazy. Alright, take these names out and display. Take this name. Okay. Alright. So Ben is asking what was the purpose of putting this call on oil to go long at 8768 at around 1214. That was the question. Girija, did I answer your question?
Yes, please.
So the purpose of the answer putting that question, that is a very good question, excellent question. Actually, you should always ask questions, because I always say please ask questions and do not suffer in silence. Yeah, and no question is like a stupid question. Only thing is that the answer can be stupid if the person who is answering, like me, is not having knowledge, proper knowledge, and he or she is trying to make it up. I have never done in my life. I never made it up any answer. So I can say I'll park this question and come back and do my Google research and all those things, but never make anything. So no question is stupid. So that before answering to that question, let me again, I have clarified this many times, but let me again clarify this, take this opportunity to clarify. So this trade ideas which is going for last 7 years here in our client portal membership area, and you are paying for that, and of course we are also paying back to you. So that client portal, which has generated, as you know, this client portal has generated um, 53,358 points in 70 months at an average of 762 points per month and 88. That is in our website also, it is there. If you go to our website, it is there. So the difference, what I'm trying to say here is, where am I? Where is the question? Oh no, Ben's question. Yeah, Ben's question. So the difference between the trade idea in here or the trade idea in here. This is obviously different, but the main difference between the trade ideas here and the instruction based discussion is, can anyone tell me, including Marty, what is the purpose and difference between the instruction based discussions, strategy based trades, and these trade ideas, before I can jump in and answer? Yeah, so let me again clarify this. These instruction based discussions will give you strategies which will generate the signals for you, and those signals are actually, if I duplicate this chance site for a moment, those signals are captured every month, commented, not only captured, commented, and posted here every month. So Euro Aussie September, Aussie USD September. So we got 1 2 3 4 trades here in September. We got 1 2 3 trades to the downside on the Aussie dollar in September, and this will go for 7 years for 8 instruments in Forex, 7 years for 8 instruments in shares, 7 years in 8 instruments for commodities. So those will be there. Those will be there. Yeah, those will be there. In addition to this histogram based, strategy based trades or trade ideas, trades, we actually give these trade ideas from one perspective, so that you don't forget the basics of trading in the form which we discuss in Traders Foundation, because people forget Trader Foundation after 9 weeks. They forget. They say, "Oh, it's very easy. Oh, everyone knows what is all sellers or all buyers or," and ask them after 2-3 weeks, and they'll forget. So that you don't forget this Trader Foundation course, which is extremely important, that we repeat in our trade ideas only, to answer Ben's question. So any call and every call we give, apart from our strategy based discussions which are generating already for 7 years 3-4 trades every day, is we try our best not to allow you to forget what we have learned. So the basis now to answer your Ben's question, to what was the basis of this trade idea which was
alert triggered.
Today also alert trigger, that was only for the Ethereum, which runs in Saturday Sunday also. Alright, so this was the zone which we saw when the market opens at 11 o'clock. Anyone can deny that zone? Yes, no, or sleeping?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Thank you. And what is that zone? Is it support or resistance?
It supports.
Support.
Very good. So what are we supposed to do at support? Buy or sell?
Sir, at
Buy.
support.
Buy.
We have to check it like it is
Yeah.
touch, like we have to see all the criteria. If it is fall over under all those four,
Yeah.
then we can go long.
Yeah, excellent, fantastic. Yeah, so both of you are correct. So I think Ben said buy, and then Girija said it has to satisfy our four criteria. Now we have a new member in our team in the form of Rex Coping. Hi Rex, how are you? Rex, you have to unmute and say hello to everyone. Rex.
You must be watching the cricket.
No, no, no. He must be struggling to unmute his. Rex Coping is a fantastic guy. Like I had my Dr. Fred Weston. He is my mentor in Australia. He started Forex trading journey with me at the age of 79, and he continued till 84. Rex, are you listening? Can you talk? Unmute your microphone and say hello. Probably Rex is having problem. Alright, so yeah, but anyway, if you are listening, Rex, I hope 100% you are listening. So welcome. Alright, so we try to buy. Now at this time of buying, what we are also seeing here is a thing which I'll ask you here to answer. We saw something in the form of Ben said already head and shoulder, isn't it, Ben? Correct?
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Yeah, head and
Yeah, so
shoulders.
if this is the head and that is the left shoulder, we don't have to draw this line. We don't have to draw this line because head to the left shoulder does not make any sense. So, but head to the right hand shoulder is always makes sense. And then if this is the head and this is the right shoulder, and this is the head and this is the left shoulder, I can just for demonstration purpose, I'll just do this one here. I'll just do this one to just say this is for Rex. Rex has not gone to that level, but for all of you, I'll just type in this as the head headstand. Yeah, this is inverse head and shoulder. This is right shoulder. Unbelievable! I have not sneezed in last 45 minutes. Can you believe me? All right, left shoulder, and this is the swing high. Swing high between the head and left shoulder, and this we'll go to the highest one. Yeah, and then between head and right shoulder we'll go to the highest one. This is the swing high. Everyone with me? Anyone contesting my drawn portion here?
No, sir, all good.
All good, very good. Girija and Ben and Mauricio, every one of you, Venkatesh, have practiced so much, and now it is coming absolutely as a second nature to them. That is what should happen. Trading should always come second nature to you, and it is only possible. It is only possible if you practice 100 times, 1000 times, 10,000 times, 100,000 times, and million times. I have done millions. Right. So now this is the head to the neckline. This is the target, and then we copy this, and whenever it crossing that, we'll paste. Now we'll not paste because it has not. So now we are seeing at least what we are seeing a higher low. Everyone agrees that we have seen a higher low printed at the market open at 11:15, and that low is telling us that market is possibly not willing to test this triple bottom. Everyone agrees?
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Yep.
So we have
Yep.
put we have put a trade here at 8768. This is the one 8768. This is the one 8768, and then then we are in the trade. We are already in. Yeah, we are in the trade, and then we can put the stop loss here. So from here to here. Generally, we in oil
Alert triggered.
we take a standard 80 pips stop loss. That's 80 pips. But now we are 80 pips would be round below this. But you can jolly well place the trade here below this right shoulder 48. 48 points or 50 points. Yeah, and then the target, we'll copy this one, and wait for the target to hit after it crosses that line. That's it. So now we have a target here, but we close it at 50 because our purpose is to keep the 47 points per day, 47 points per day. That is our last 7 months this thing record. Okay.